How to block websites on Chrome on iPhone. Blocking websites on Chrome for iPhone can help manage content restrictions whether for productivity or parental control. So here is how you can do it. Firstly, go to the Settings app on your iPhone and inside Settings app scroll down and look for the screen time option available there. And now simply tap on the screen time. Inside screen time scroll down and look for the content restrictions and privacy option available there. After you tap on it, simply toggle the switch on of the content privacy restrictions. After you toggle the switch on, you can find App Store, Media, Web and Games option available there. Simply tap on it. Now here scroll down and tap on the Web Content option available there. Now inside Web Content, choose Limit Adult Websites. Under Never Allow, add the URLs of the websites you want to block. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.